Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel, share the channel among your friends. Today I am going to discuss about how to create asset from the Fiori and how to purchase the asset from the Fiori and how to run the depreciation from the Fiori. So point number one, we are going to learn create asset from the Fiori. Key code is AS01. Then if you want to create the asset or if you want to do anything in the Fiori, you need to have the Fiori app name. So if you know Fiori app name, it's okay. Otherwise, you can go to Fiori library. You can give the T code what you use in the GUI to create the asset master. Give like AS01 and hit enter. So you get to know what is the Fiori app name. So this is the Fiori app name to create the asset. Take this Fiori app, go here and give this one. So this is the Fiori app library. In this you can find all the Fiori app. I'll be giving this link in the description. You can click and use it. Okay, so it is taking little time. Let us wait it. So it came now. You can click on this one. It open. Give the asset class. I'm going to create, this is my asset class. Building. Give the company code. Give the company code. Hit enter. You can click on master data. Bring this, yeah, it's little slow. Give here RMZ building, Hyderabad. Then give all other details. Come here, give cost center. Okay, so these are the cost center. Come here and all other details are picked. You can change accordingly. Then you click on save button. Move little bit like this. Click on save. Click on save. Okay, so asset number got created. Take it. Fiori is quite slow in the practice system, so you can note it down. Asset number 1006. This is the asset you have created. 100006. 100006. Next step, purchase the asset. Purchase asset. If you want to purchase the asset from finance side in GUI, then you have .90 is a T code. So this was the Fiori app name, and let us check what is the Fiori app name to purchase from the Fiori. Come here in the library, give your .90, hit enter. So this is the Fiori app name without purchase order. Okay, give here, click on this. It will take little time. It came like this. Give here asset purchase documented, reference number. Okay, so it's quite slow, it's taking time. give here some description like asset purchase, run, or let's say Fiori asset keyword purchase. Scroll down, give the vendor number, hit enter, give a asset value, let's say 2000, 20,000, give a asset number 70, asset number you have created 006. You can even search from drop down also, then give transaction type, give the value 20,000. Okay, you can directly post also, you can do the simulation also. Go to here, go to document and go to simulate. You can see what is the journal entry. Okay, this is the journal entry. Come back and do the posting. Post it. Okay, so this is the document number got generated. 19 followed by 6 times 0, 75. 19 double 0 double 0 double 0 75. So this is the document number got generated, and this was the Fiori app name. So note it down here. Now run the depreciation. T code is above, but let us see what is the Fiori app name for the running depreciation. Come here again, same way. I know what is the what is that Fiori app name. However, I want to show you how to check it. So this is the correct Fiori app name we have to use during the depreciation run. Come here, give it. This is the one. Other you can close it. Wait, it takes little time till the Fiori app getting open. Let us check when what you purchase, how it is appearing. AW01N TM99. Yes, number is this one. Hit enter. So this is what you have purchased for 20,000, and this is what you are going to post depreciation 109. So it's taking time. Wait until then. Okay, so it's open now. You can create. Click on create button. So it got open. Template, let it be same. This job name you can change if you want to change any other name you can give. Then click on step 2. Then if you want to run immediately run, if you remove this, then you can schedule the job also accordingly. Click on step 3. Then give here company code for which you want to run. Give the fiscal year, for me fiscal year 2022 or 24, and I'm going to run for the period 05. You can run based on accounting principle also. I don't want to run test run. I want to run in detail, so that I will have the asset wise detail. Now schedule, click on schedule. Then this is the one, click on here. Okay, so you have two options here. After it is successful, so it has found I think three document it has generated. Here if you, this is the log detail, it will show. Here document detail it will show. So click on success. So double click on them. So three document it has generated. Before it opens, you can check even here also in Asset Explorer. Refresh it, check either it got posted or not. Come here. So here see depreciation got posted. You can check here also. So this is got posted. This is the document number. Okay, for I gap. Similarly, you can check for I have three gap. I mean three accounting principle. Okay. Then another one this document, another this document. It got posted. You can see the log also if you want to see. Useful request wala log. You can check even SP01 also here in the system. SP01. That log will even show here also. So these are the log got generated. We can check here also. So 647560. Check it here. This is the one. 647560. So these are the log. You can check here also. So this is the document number got generated. Okay. One document number, two document number. You can check even. You can copy it and you can check accounting entries also. FB03. Okay. So this is the journal entry got posted. So in this way you can run the depreciation from the Fiori app. You can even see the Asset Explorer also. So this is the Fiori app name for the Asset Explorer. Asset values you can search same as it is. So this is the Fiori app name. You can open, and this is how you can check even in the Fiori also Asset Explorer. Okay, same like how you are checking in the GUI. So same you can find even in the Fiori app. So Fiori app Asset Explorer is asset value is a Fiori app name. Asset value is the Fiori app name for the Asset Explorer. So you can see in the SAP in the Fiori also. Okay, so another is for Asset Explorer AW01N. Fiori app name is Asset Values. Okay, so this is the Fiori app name. So in this way you can even practice from the Fiori also, because these days many of the ECC client are migrating to S4 HANA system and Fiori app new for them. So client may ask you to explore more in the Fiori and give them more solution from the Fiori point of view, like what are the new Fiori app is available, what are the new reports are available in the Fiori app. So you need to be very good in the Fiori how to handle. Okay, so this way you can handle, and this is how this is very handy. Fiori library is very important to find out the right Fiori app and practice it. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.